These are the elevators here at the Maritime Beach Club in Myrtle Beach, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Got some Otis Series 1 elevators to ride. Here's your interlock. Let's go to 10. Some mod, obviously. 9. Here we go. This probably used to be Lexan. Indicator's a bit glitchy. Whoa, bounce. That's weird, and the door has a bit of an issue. B2. I don't want to go down to 1, it opens right at the front desk. ADA phone. It's a pretty nice elevator. And 2. Look at that. Glitchy doors. Regular Series 1 panel for traction. There's your original Otis label. I'm gonna get off here, send this one down, get a look around up here. There it goes. There's the other one. Let's get a little look around. There's your stairs. Not much to see up here. I take it as that service. Probably is, I don't know. But anyway, we're gonna go down. It's pretty nice looking. Let's go down. Call stations look like older Series 1, but this is newer. Guessing probably mid-90s mod. I don't know. One of them came. And we got this one back. Wonder if the other one's working or not. We're gonna end on 2 because like I said, it opens right at the front desk, so. Yeah, it's 2000s judging by the brailles. Round 2. And we're gonna end here. Look at that. There it goes. That's gonna be it.